Mukim Lushlin, a 29-year-old Kazakh man, is a third-year graduate student majoring in acupuncture and massage at Shanxi University of Chinese Medicine. Attracted by Chinese culture, Lushlin came to China to study traditional Chinese medicine in 2015.
就是我家里自己父母试过这个中医，因为我爸之前也有身体有点不舒服，他去做过这个针灸，也喝过这些中药，这些的让我就是感觉到就是特别生气嘛。
With the encouragement and help of his teachers, Liu Shlin has overcome language barrier and other difficulties, and has gradually found suitable learning methods.
咱们咸阳湖那边嘛，那边晚上人家不是去喜欢运动嘛，对不对？我就买了2个小凳子，然后我就放在那儿给人家做那个颈肩保养嘛，免费做，因为这样你能体验到很多人的这个颈椎啥的能摸出来。对，就这样慢慢。那在中国能学中医，然后能让中国的人给我说谢谢，就是有效果啥，让我心里真的很舒服，没有白去学这个东西。
Liu Shlin has participated in a number of national-level TCM school competitions and achieved excellent results. He's now applying to Beijing University of Chinese Medicine for a doctoral degree. He said he wants to promote TCM in Kazakhstan and other countries.
希望就是中国和哈萨克斯坦在这个中医的这个方面多交流，也希望就是在我们那边韩国那边有很多人去再多认识一下这个中医，认识一下它的这个厉害，认识一下它的这些就是治疗的效果啥的。